These are some of the thousands of payment proofs people are receiving every single day just by clicking on ads. Yes, you heard that right. All you need to do is just sign up for an account, click on a box, and get paid for each box you click. And stay until the end of the video, because I will show you how to make even more money, and I will also teach you how to set this up online for you to get paid by doing nothing. This is an easy passive income strategy that you can use today. But before we start, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way, make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. Okay, here's the game plan. First, I'll teach you how to sign up for a free account. And next, I'll show you how to set up a passive income strategy so that you can earn money without doing it. Let me just show you the payment proofs right here. And as you can see, people from all over the world are cashing out every single hour. People from all over the world are making money on this website and are being paid just for clicking on ads. The first website is ptcshare.com. Make sure to follow all the steps given so that we wouldn't have a hard time making money on this site. Now, first of all, you could see all these people once again making money on this website. And then it just proves that people are using it all the time and making money. This platform actually works. And you can see, even though it's a brand new website, it has paid out millions on its users. And this is a very easy task to do. You don't need any skill and you don't need any previous experience. You can earn money online in just a few minutes. You can get started right away because you can cash out your earnings through these sites: Perfect Money, Litecoin, Bitcoin, Payeer. Now in this part of the video, I'm gonna teach you how to sign up for a free account. Just click on the sign up button right here on the left-hand side. First, type in your desired username, and then next, type in your password. And again, repeat your password. Now enter your official email address, and you just have to type in your email address again, right here on the right-hand side. Then I want you to click on this, I confirm that I was referred by admin, and check the box that says, I'm not a robot, and do the CAPTCHA verification. And lastly, check the box that says, I agree to the terms of service, and click on Create Account. Once you're done with signing up for a new account, you should activate your account by going through your emails. As you can see here, it says, Hello, Jenny Adams 321. Welcome to PTC Share. To complete your account registration and to activate your account, please click here or use the following link. And just click on the link provided and it will take you to this page where it says that your account has been activated. This is what the dashboard looks like on your account on ptcshare.com. You will be able to see your balance right here. Hopefully, with this tutorial that I'm showing you, you will be able to grow your money on this website. And when you scroll down below, you can see a lot of activities and bonuses you can get by doing all the tasks. This is so nice, since this means more ways to make money online with this website. Now for us to earn money, first, I want you to click on this Earn button right here. And then a drop-down menu will be shown. You will see a bunch of different activities for you to make money. We have View Ads, Offer Walls, Surveys, Videos, PTC Walls, ClickGrid, and Refer Friends. But for this video, I want you to click on View Ads. Now just a quick disclaimer, it's not gonna make you rich. It's not a life-changing income. But by clicking these ads, it's a simple way to make money. And it requires no previous experience or any skills. Now that's gonna show you all these different ads that are available for you to click on that will make you money. As you can see, it's not a lot. That's why I said you need to stay with me until the end so I can show you how to make a lot more money using this website. I mean, it's simple. You just need to click this button right here and that's it. View paid ads. And that's all you need to do to get paid this amount of money. That will quickly add up over time if you do this again and again. You guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Here is another trick that I want to show you where you can earn $10 for every click. So now I want you to scroll back up and click on the Earn button again. And I want you to go to Click Grid. Okay, let me explain. Each of these boxes is one ad. You click on this box and then this ad is gonna pop up, which you can close and you will get paid for that click. you will see that it's credited because the box will turn red just like this one. You can see on the right-hand side all these people are making money just by clicking on these boxes. And you have all these boxes which you can click on every single day, and you have the potential to make up to $10 for a single click. So for example, if this one right here has 100 boxes, and that's $0.05 per click. And if you click on all those boxes, that would be an easy $5. And that is free on this website. You can do this every day as well, since the site refreshes your account every single day. Now the second part that I want to show you is how you set up your account for you to earn passive income. What you need to do is again go to the Earn button on the upper left-hand side of the site. And I want you to go all the way down to Refer Friends. I want you to click on that button right now. Now don't worry, you don't need to share this with your family and your friends. But hey, if you want to share this with your family and with your friends, you can do that. But in this video, let's focus more on another approach. Before we do that, I want you to scroll down below so that you can read all of the referral details. 7% commission on their everyday ad purchase. 3% commission on the value of their ad clicks. Eligibility for additional daily referral issue. A ton of achievement points, increasing your part of the daily achievement ad issue. With that, I want you to copy your referral link right here. Now I'm gonna show you a platform where you can share your link for you to make more money online passively. And this is a no-brainer. So copy your referral link and let's get a different traffic source. Now the traffic source that we will be using is Quora.com. Quora is a place where people come to us can answer different questions. On this site, people ask a lot of different questions about almost anything. So right now, I want you to type in the search bar, "How to make money online," and press enter. You will then see a lot of people asking different questions on how to make money online. Here are some examples. Now I want you to just choose one post. This is the time that we will be posting our link. We'll reply with our link. I'm gonna go with this script, but you can also make your own. Don't forget to paste your affiliate link. This means that when a Quora user uses your link to sign up for an account, she will be able to make money, and you will earn a commission every time someone uses your link. They will do the same thing as you did, which was click on those boxes to watch an ad. You will earn a commission and they will earn money as well. You can also do this on other sites as well, just like Facebook and Twitter. And that's it! Before we go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button and I'll see you in the next videos.